Hello, good evening, students. Today's transcription number back of 159 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. Then, sir, a point has been raised by the mover that in certain peak seasons there is real difficulty in finding agricultural labor. I may state that there is some difficulty experienced during harvest time and the weeding season when there will be the outbreak of monsoon when replanting of seedlings will have to be done, but the situation is not such as to warrant the appointment of a committee to go into this question at all. I would say, sir, had it not been for those circumstances existing in certain peak periods when agricultural labor is in a position really to dictate terms, it is horrible to conceive of their lot in the slack seasons, so that we have to put up with that situation. Even in those seasons, as we find, there may not be lack of personnel, but the labor may be in a position to dictate terms. They may demand and get increased wages at that particular period, whereas they may have to be satisfied with very low wages in other parts of the year. So, sir, I feel that it is not possible for the government to accept this resolution. Taking India as a whole, as I have stated, to meet this question of underemployment, we have provided in the 7th 5-year plan 40 crores of rupees for assisting in the settlement of landless agricultural workers, and 50 crores of rupees are proposed to be spent by states for the resettlement of landless agricultural workers. The main lines of development in this regard are encouragement of cottage and small scale industries, large increases in agricultural production, including animal husbandry and horticulture. I may also state for the information of the House that the Ministry of Labour are conducting, with the help of the National Sample Survey, another agricultural labor inquiry to investigate into the scope of employment and living standards of agricultural laborers, and this inquiry is expected to bring forth information on all aspects of the subject. The points raised by the mover form the subject matter of the inquiry that would be conducted. Sir, with regard to the questions raised by Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, they are larger questions and they are dealt with in the 7th 5-year plan itself. The government is taking necessary steps in the direction of consolidation of holdings, and the latest position of the Planning Commission itself is that it would render aid in the matter of consolidation of holdings so that there may not be fragmentation. The greatest importance that has been attached to developments in cooperation is quite known to the honorable members.